Oh my god.
I'm just putting on some concealer to hide like my dark marks, and I know we have a big elephant in the room, right? My skin, like as you guys can see, my skin has not been doing so great, and this is the worst my skin has ever looked ever in my life. I've never really been one to have like really big skin problems, mostly because my skin never really used to leave marks. I always had like congestion problems with my skin, like I had a lot of blackheads, whiteheads, things like that, but it didn't really show because my face didn't really mark easily. But now I find that when I have issues with my skin, it's leaving like some really bad like dark marks, and I've also started to have like a lot of cystic type hormonal acne, which I never had before. And now that I'm like getting closer and closer to 30, I'm like, wow. And I know, shocker, a lot of you guys don't even know my age, but yes, I'm 30 this year. Shocker, I know. And now is when my skin decides it's gonna start giving problems and like, you know, leaving marks, which I never had before, which is really frustrating because I never had to deal with it, but now I'm having to deal with it. And I think I might have to change my cleanser and stuff because it doesn't really do much for me in terms of like the cystic stuff. I don't know if you guys can see like even this right now, like if I touch this, it's like it feels like a big bump like under my skin. Like that's how they come up, and then they leave like really dark marks on my face, and the cycle just happens every month, and it's really frustrating. But I do also need to get like a retinol as well. Also, coming back from like my friend's wedding, she's like the last of my friends now to basically get married. Well, not the last of my friends, that's not true. All of my friends are like getting married and having kids. It's so funny because like they're getting married, they're having kids, and like right now all I want in life is to like run away to like a foreign country and start another life. Like that's literally how I feel right now. And not necessarily like start another life, but I don't know, I just like my dream right now is to literally like live in another country and just like go on an adventure, see what life in that country is like, you know. That's where I am, that's where I'm at. But anyways, what's been happening in your life, guys? My life is not that exciting. No matter how exciting my life looks on camera, trust me, it's not that exciting. There's nothing much happening. It's the same old stuff. My goal in life, as I said, is to run away to that's too much. Run away to another country for like a couple months or like a couple years. Maybe come back to Jamaica. I don't know. I don't even know like what's the next step after that. I just want to go, like not even to like permanently like move or anything like that per se, but just to like experience something new. Do you guys understand? Like that's what I want right now, and I'm like putting that out there because I want it to happen. You know what I mean? It's like when you put stuff out there, it kind of forces you to make steps for it to happen. I don't know how it's gonna happen but I want it to happen so bad. Somebody please tell me. This is why y'all need to watch my YouTube videos, okay? So that I can like make money from YouTube and live my best life. But speaking of watching my videos, you guys really enjoyed the Negro vlog that I did the other day, and it's the first time that I've garnered so many views in like 24 hours. I've never gotten that many views in 24 hours before. It was the first time, and it made me very happy because I was just like, damn, like y'all rock with me like that. Even though of course most of the people that would have been watching are not like my usual audience or whatever, but that's fine. I just hope that YouTube continues to put out my videos, because YouTube has this thing where it doesn't put out my content. And also, if you're watching this right now, please remember to hit the notification bell and like select all, okay? Because YouTube gives you the option to select how your notifications are given to you. Please select all so that every time I upload, you guys get notified. Because yeah, I need, YouTube is not really let you guys know when I upload. This is like my new favorite no makeup look. To tell you the honest truth, I don't even know if I did it properly, because as I said, I don't even have a mirror. I'm sweating like crazy. I don't know why I'm sweating all of a sudden, but yeah, I don't even know how it looks on camera because I don't have a mirror. I'm not really seeing my face, and I don't even know if the concealer that I'm using matches my skin tone, because I got a tan in Ochi, okay? Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got a tan and my nose is dripping and everything. So I don't even know. But my favorite no makeup look is concealer now. Just using concealer, then using a cream blush. Using a cream blush and then mascara. The concealer I use is just like the regular LA Girl, but I use the shade Espresso, and honestly these are like the OG girlies and they're still good. I still have them in my makeup rotation. I keep them and I use them. My main concealer for my under eyes is like the e.l.f. concealer, but I still love these, and I think these give like a really good coverage for like days when I want to like conceal like my blemishes and stuff. I use this oil underneath it so that I can have like a more like dewy kind of look, because I find that when you conceal and do my skin like this with like a like more moist base, it looks more natural than if my skin was to be dry and I added concealer on top, you know. So yeah, and then the cream blush that I used was this cheap ass blush that I got from Miss A. It's like the AOA blush. It is called Shy 279 Shy. It's a little dirty, but it's like a reddish pinky tone blush, and I really like it. It's very pigmented, as you guys can tell, because I'm pretty sure I put on way too much. But yeah, sometimes I'll like set with like a light powder, like this Fit Me powder, but I'll put it mostly like in my T-zone area. I won't set like on the outside because I like the kind of like dewy look, even though I'm sweating right now. And then I put mascara on. Sometimes I do my brows, sometimes I don't, because if I do my brows then it's gonna be obvious that I have makeup on, because even though the blush is already screaming makeup, but because of how my eyebrows are, I feel like when I actually do them, they look a little bit too sculpted. But anyways, I have videos that I need to record right now, so I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll see y'all on the flip side in the rest of this vlog. It's been a minute since I sat down and just like talked to the camera. Like honestly, when's the last time I did this? Because sometimes I feel like y'all don't care. I feel like y'all don't care like about what I have to say. Y'all tell me down below, do you guys like when I sit and talk to the camera like this, at least for a little bit in my vlogs, or do you just like the montages that I do with like just my surroundings when I go out and stuff, or do you like a mixture of the two? Comment below and let me know. Oh, and for my gloss I use Fenty, the Fenty gloss, the original gloss, the Gloss Bomb Heat. This is my favorite. As you can see, it's almost done, and I'm pretty sure I showed you guys when I got a new one of these in my vlog like a couple months ago, probably even a year ago. It's been that long, hasn't it? And yeah, it's almost done again. I only use this gloss now, so I run through them pretty fast. Well, that's not fast if it's been a year, has it? But anyways, yeah, Fenty. If you want to send me something, send me Fenty gloss, okay? Oh, mascara is this old ass Maybelline lash lift that I have. I actually want to get a new one. I really love this mascara. I stopped using it for the longest and then started using it again. It's called Hydro Fudge Falsies. It's the Falsies Lash Lift Hydro Fudge Maybelline. It's old, but I actually went into Discount Beauty and saw that they were selling these over the counter, and I was like, I need to get a new one, because this mascara is the bomb. It looks really good in person. It's really dark really dark, and just it's a lash lift in a bottle, as the name suggests. But anyways, I'm not gonna bore you guys any longer. I will see you guys in the rest of this vlog. But I'm at an ATL event right now, and I just got here kind of insecure because I don't know if I'm dressed appropriately. There was no dress code, but I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys what's up at the event. I got invited by both Mini and BMW. Yeah, they're doing like some unveiling of like some new cars. So yeah.
Right, because they don't have any space in the actual car, so I have to sit down in the back in the trunk.
That's a lie.
No, that's what's happening.
That's a lie.
Kelly.
That's a lie.
We're blaming Kelly.
For YouTube purposes, that's a lie. Is that rain clouds? Yes, it is. I have to film a video for Red Stripe today, and I'm just in the line. You too? I'm so anxious about it, like so nervous. But I think I'm anxious because I don't have like a big turnaround time on it, and also because I don't know, I want it to be good. It's been a minute since I've done like a sponsored post like this. So yeah, I'm very nervous, but I hope it turns out good. But anyways, there are people looking at me because I'm vlogging as usual. I'm in the line to get some cash. Then I'm gonna go into the supermarket. Plus I have to have to vlog content inside the supermarket, which I normally do, but then it's like content that's gonna like have people looking at me all awkward. And then I have to do like content on the outside of the supermarket, and then like inside of like a store. Y'all, I'm not ready. The lighting in here is trash. I know I look a little crazy right now. When do I not look crazy coming on here in my vlogs? But like this week's vlog is literally just gonna be like just like a birthday vlog, I feel like, because my birthday is in, I guess we could call it almost a week, and I don't really have like concrete plans. But to be honest, you guys would have seen that I just got back from DR, which was a very spontaneous trip, but like at the same time I feel like with that I feel very like fulfilled, and I don't feel like I need to like do anything big for my birthday. But I do have things that I want to do in terms of like events that I want to attend, starting with tonight. And tonight's Friday, it's Friday night, and the Rush Camps parties tonight. It's a party, and we're gonna be going to that. And this is the last weekend before my birthday weekend, so I feel like it's a nice little like kickstart to that. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to head out to. So we have that tonight, and then tomorrow I have like 2 things that I want to go to, which is basically this car show thing, and then after that it's this like rave party. Yeah, and I'll be bringing you guys with me. This year is my 30th. I know, I'm old. This year is my 30th, and I feel like people expect me to be making like these big plans, and I really don't have any. Like I really don't, and I don't plan on making any plans. But yeah, so right now you guys are I'm doing like a get ready with me, if you guys can't tell, as I get ready to head out to this party. I literally have like a couple minutes to do my makeup. You guys know I've been doing like very simple makeup these days, but I feel like I might do a little bit heavier today, just because I'm gonna be probably dancing and sweating, and yeah. But I'm still using concealer instead of foundation. I don't think I'm gonna do a full face. Maybe I will. I am using a lot more product than I usually do though today, so we'll see. We'll see where my hand takes me. I'm kind of rushing because I don't have much time. I'm actually heading to the party with Danielle today, and I'm trying to think. Danielle has been on my vlogs before, but I don't know if she's ever been on my vlog to this extent that she's probably gonna be on my vlog tonight. Which is so crazy, because Danielle and I have known each other for years now, since we've both been in like the creative space and the marketing space. So it's kind of ironic. You know what's funny too? There's so many people that I know and I talk to and stuff, like in the creative space, but they're never on my vlogs, or you guys don't really see them, or you might see only like glimpses of them sometimes. But like, it's so crazy because social media is a hell of a thing. Like if you don't know, you don't know. You know what I mean? But anyways, I need to get a new concealer. I really love this e.l.f. concealer. It's so noisy when he comes in the room. Hello, Ollie. Ooh, I'm going to go in with this palette. It's so messy. You can't come on the desk right now, okay?
I'm trying to vlog you first.
Okay.
We're done edit.
Yeah, Jesus. You look so cute. Period. Okay, so we just got to the party and we're outside taking pictures, as you guys saw. And yeah, we need to head in. It's like after 9. The party ends at 12, so we need to go inside, get some drinks and things.
Fire truck now? 100%. Driving on this road. Eh?
It is now 6:18 p.m. and I don't really know at what point we are in this hurricane right now. I slept for about an hour or two, I think, and so I don't really know like where we are. I don't have any data. My data is not working. There's no electricity. The electricity did come back for like maybe a minute earlier on, probably like 2 hours ago, but it came back, but it kept chipping in and out, and then it went away for good. But honestly, outside seems very calm from like looking at it from the side of the house here by my window, but because like it's not a lot of rain, it's just like water droplets, but
whenever you hear the sound of the wind, you get reminded of the fact that you're in a hurricane right now. Now, I don't know if we're in the eye of the hurricane, because usually in the eye of the hurricane it's very calm, but if it was the eye, the place would have gotten like dead silent. So if you've never experienced a hurricane before, the eye of the hurricane is like the scariest part, because you think that the hurricane is over, the wind stops, the rain stops, and then it gets really still and quiet and airy, and you think everything is over, and then all of a sudden everything just picks back up like that. And yeah, but I don't think we're passing through the eye right now, because I can still hear like some heavy wind. You guys probably can't hear it in the phone, but if we were to look at the front of the house where all the trees and stuff are, you'll be able to see it, and it sounds so scary. Also, I can see like in the sky, I don't think you guys can see it on camera, but like you can see how fast the clouds are passing by, but I don't think I can pick it up in the camera at all. I don't think. Wait, kind of, can you guys see that? Like it's moving. Can you? The clouds are moving that way. Look. See? But yeah.
So this is to show you guys the difference of like what the front of the house looks like as opposed to the side of by my window. Like this is what outside looks like. Wait.